Material control. Material plays an important role in the cost of production of any item. Therefore, the cost accountants have considered it to be the first and foremost element of cost and have insisted on its control very much. Material control means framing rules and regulations, the various activities regarding receipt, storing and use of material in such a way that a continuous flow of material is maintained in the process of production without investing very much on it. A special fact about material is that it is a passive factor of production. Therefore, it is comparatively easier to have a control over it than other element of cost. Thus, the importance of keeping proper control over the cost of material cannot be ignored. In the absence of such control, there is a possibility of heavy loss to the business. Why material control is necessary? Materials form an important part of the cost of production and therefore proper control over material is necessary from the time order are placed with the supplier till they are actually consumed in plant and office operation or have been sold as merchandise. An efficient system of material control will lead to a significant reduction in production cost. Control over materials is also necessary to assess a steady supply of each item of material. In the absence of quantity on hand, information regarding each item, there is a constant danger of material being stored in too small a quantity, which may result in a heavy loss consequent upon stopping of the whole assembly line, or in too large quantity resulting in serious obsolescence of losses. Materials control defined. Materials control may be defined as a systematic control over the procurement, storage and usage of material so as to maintain an even flow of materials and avoiding at the same time excessive investment on inventories. Thus, material control involves efficient functioning of the following operations such as purchase of materials, receiving of materials, inspection of materials, storage of materials, issuing of materials, maintenance of inventory record, and last, stock audit. Generally, there are 5 departments in a material control organization. purchase department, receiving department, store department, cost accounting department and stock audit department.